Hello everyone, welcome back to Blockchain 101. In this video I want to explain to you guys, I want to give you guys a quick overview of NEO, of what is NEO, and why I think we should keep a close attention to NEO based projects, the ones already on the market and the upcoming ICOs, all based on NEO. Why we should pay close attention to projects and ICOs based on the NEO platform. So I found this website here called State of NEO. Very interesting, a lot of things related to NEO. So a quick overview of what is NEO. I'm not gonna go deep into this explanation, just a quick overview, just a reminder. Most of you guys may already know what is NEO. So NEO, smart contract created as a new model economy. So NEO was created to be the Chinese, the Asian Ethereum, the upgraded Ethereum, like Ethereum, the next generation of Ethereum. So the main features: high capacity, Visa style, 10,000 transactions per second. Very similar to the Visa credit card payment. Super fast. Physical assets exchange, meaning it works like a currency. Buying and selling goods using NEO as a currency. And it's also eco-friendly in a way that it doesn't require spending money and electricity and computer power to do mining. So it doesn't require all those things. Another thing, it's based on, it accepts many languages, multi-languages. It accepts, it works on C#, Java, Python, and also for the near future, they're developing quantum-resistant cryptography. Quantum is going to be the next generation of supercomputers, and they're developing a technology to be resistant to attacks from quantum computers. And then upcoming and already released projects, cryptos based on NEO. Qlink, decentralized mobile network, so you're exchanging and getting rewards for sharing mobile network. Next, decentralized exchange, kind of like Kyber, wants to be a more modern decentralized exchange. Zipping, manage and assist creative industries such as copyright, content creators, similar to a few things already on Ethereum, like Poet, like Publica, but this is the NEO version. And this is a competitor for Kyber. Thor offers gig economy style service. Actually very similar to this Kenya, another crypto just released based on Ethereum ER20 tokens. So it's a platform to be used for short-term contracts, like delivery services, construction services, software development, an app development, for short-term paid work. Cleaning services, delivery, construction, all of those little things where you hire a contractor. So they have partnership with these companies, and then there's a lot of other things. I just wanted to give you guys a very quick overview. Funded projects already in the market. The key is already on Qcoin, and it's supposed to be similar to Civic, identity verification too, based on big data and blockchain. Similar to Civic, but a little more advanced, let's say. and it's already on Qcoin, huge volume. AlphaCat, advisor marketplace based on AI and big data, building a investment platform for cryptocurrency, kind of like Syndicator, the first app developed for Enigma, but this is on Neo. Qlink, mobile network sharing and getting rewards. DeepBrain, AI distribution, funding, research, all the money and the assets to be used on AI. RedPulse, that's more for research in capital markets, in research, more based on research. And then on this ICO whitelists category, Neo, that's the article that caught my attention. 3 upcoming Neo ICOs for early 2018, and one actually, which is actually switching from Ethereum to Neo. Narrative, that's the one which was going to be released on Neo, but they decided to move to Narrative. Was supposed to be released on Neo, but they decided to move their project to the Neo platform. Content economy, so it's basically, let's say, YouTube, Twitter, all those things where you get rewarded for anything positive. Oh, this thing again. Anything positive for the system, for the website. If you're a content creator, you get rewards. If you are a moderator, if you are doing anything related to this, maintaining and expanding and bringing the quality up for this content, you get rewards and have to pay some fees. So most things related to media and content sharing includes social media. It's a huge market nowadays. Everyone is addicted to those things nowadays. And it says here 85% of all revenue is distributed to users, so we get a lot of rewards. Thor token, that's the blockchain powered gig economy solutions. So for all small services, this is a platform for managing, distributing, paying, rewarding for those services. Delivery, construction, short-term jobs. Next, high volume payment service, complex trades. It's a more upgraded, decentralized exchange, which is one of the things which I think are going to be big in 2018. Decentralized exchange, blockchain platforms 3.0, the next generation, and things for managing tasks. So now let me show you guys a quick comparison. Why Neo why Neo projects are interesting. Neo and any project based on Neo. Those are the prices that I updated. It's a little rough of a editing, but just updated 1 or 2 days ago. This is going to be different already because prices and market cap is always changing. These I had to change because it was made by mistake. This was reversed before, but this is the right thing. So 1 or 2 days ago, Neo was $138 and Ethereum 1,058. 9 billion against 101 billion. So imagine how this price is going to be when this number approaches Ethereum's number, which I really believe it's gonna happen. in a year or so. So let's see a quick comparison. 138 against 1,000 and something. 9 billion when it reaches 101 billion. Then imagine how this price is going to be. Ethereum, 15 transactions per second, which was a big thing when it was created, but then this is the big man now. 10,000 transactions per second. See the huge difference. Quantum computer proof. NEO is already resistant to quantum computer attacks. Ethereum not yet. I don't know how they're going to deal with that in the future. Ethereum, proof of work rewarding participants who solve complicated mathematical puzzles. That's mining, requires computer power, electricity, spending money. And NEO, DBFT consensus mechanism, more energy efficient, saves energy, time, and investment. Languages, programming languages for NEO. C#, Python, Java, so it's much more flexible for developers and programmers. Ethereum forces you to use their one and only language, Solidity. So you have to learn that and you have to adapt to that language. NEO has the next and the closest competitor, Kyber, decentralized AI, managing and funding projects based on artificial intelligence. DeepBrain, and now we have this Singularity Net, decentralized computing. VDT against Qlink, Payment, UPayGo, 10x, Trinity, Raiden, Elastus. So all those NEO-based projects, most of them are already on Qcoin. They have huge volume and they're not disappointing. Whoever bought in the beginning, they're not being disappointed. Huge volume. The chart is either going up or maintaining its level. Okay then, but why pay a closer attention to NEO? So why pay attention to NEO's projects and every new crypto or ICO based on NEO? Well, first there is the technical side. NEO being faster, more flexible, and more modern, and still a lot of room to grow. It's a new coin, so it's still a lot of room to grow. And they're releasing very similar projects to Ethereum, but in theory upgraded, because they are on a better platform. Better in the way that is faster and more modern. This, in my opinion, would be like NEO being Apple computers and Ethereum being Microsoft computers. Ethereum, like Microsoft, already has a lot more followers and very popular already, because it was the first one to become popular and develop more things. And NEO would be like Apple computers, more modern, also has a lot of followers but not as popular as Ethereum. So NEO, like Apple, more modern, and it has also loyal customers, different kind but also loyal customers. And then because it is more modern and some people are going to prefer this technology, they will grow more, they will have a higher value over time, in my opinion, if you compare NEO, Ethereum, similar to Apple and Microsoft. Then we have to remember that it's very new. Just last year, NEO, when it was called N-Shares before the rebranding, it was only like 20 cents. And then it did the rebranding, it went to $3, $5, all the way up to $50, retraced. Things were going a little slow, so it was retracing. The market was also in some trouble with the news, and then it started making partnerships, reaching things on their roadmap, improving their technology, going up and up. So we have to remember it's a brand new coin, only a year old, around a year old, and has a lot of room to grow. So those are another thing before I forget, a lot of Qcoin, as I was mentioning, has a lot of coins pairing with NEO. A lot of coins directly pairing with NEO. A lot of very popular, a lot of very high-tech new coins like Trinity, RedPulse, DeepBrain, Qlink, DragonChain. And then going back to the Bitcoin-based coins, if I change here for the high volume on the last 24 hours, we have those two. They're brand new, so usually brand new coins, they have very high volume for the first few days, so let's not look at those for now. But besides those brand new coins, we have here Trinity, SelfKey, DeepBrain, RedPulse, all with high volume, top 10, and all either going up or retracing and forming a base. None of them are, too much on the red when it's a red day. So all good numbers. So those are the reasons why I think for the short term, when they're released, new based coins are going to have good growth because it's popular, it's more modern, and on the long term, I also believe they will reach a higher value than Ethereum based coins. Both are going to do well, but when a coin, two similar coins on different platforms, one released on Ethereum, another one released on NEO, when they're both at $5, which one will reach $50 or $500? We are not sure, but they both have good potential, especially NEO based ones, in my opinion. So thanks again. Subscribe if you like the videos and you want to watch the next one, and have a good day.